Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Saroj Meera Singh, and today we will learn about life cycle of Plasmodium parasite. In this video tutorial, I am going to cover introduction of Plasmodium, general characters of Plasmodium, life cycle of Plasmodium. The life cycle of Plasmodium is again divided into three sections such as infection, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Now come to the next slide, introduction of Plasmodium. Plasmodium is a genus of parasite protozoa and responsible to cause malaria disease. Malaria is a mosquito-borne infectious disease and infected by female Anopheles mosquito. Over 60 types of female Anopheles mosquito and species can cause malaria, and it generally occurs in vertebrates, especially in humans. Now come to the next slide, general characters of Plasmodium. Plasmodium is protozoan. Protozoa are the first animal. They are unicellular, non-photosynthetic eukaryotic organism. Protozoa are biologically diverse group of unicellular eukaryotic organisms. They are generally parasitic in nature. Plasmodium is a unicellular organism. It is an endoparasitic and live in the inside of host cell. Parasites are of two types. First one is endoparasitic and the another one is exoparasites or exoparasitic. Endo that lives inside the host body, exo that lives out of the host body. Plasmodium completes its life cycle in two hosts, namely humans, and the another one is female Anopheles mosquito. Man is the intermediate host and Anopheles are primary host of this parasite. And now come to the next slide. Plasmodium completes its life cycle in following three steps. The first one is infection, the another one is asexual reproduction, and the third one is sexual reproduction. So let's start with the point 1, infection through mosquito or infection through female Anopheles. You can see this in the image. In infection, in this phase, an infected female Anopheles mosquito bites a person and injects sporozoites in host body through salivary glands with her saliva. You can see this in this image, and then within 30 to 60 minutes after inoculation of sporozoites, sporozoites find their way by blood circulation and it travels to liver from blood. You can see this in point number 2 in the image. Now come to the next point, that is asexual reproduction. The next stage of Plasmodium life cycle after the infection through mosquito, it takes place in the liver. Asexual reproduction completes into following steps. Firstly, sporozoites enter the liver cell and start multiplying or dividing and become merozoites. After few days, merozoites are released into the bloodstream from liver cell by cell rupturing. And then when merozoites enters in red blood cells, it became trophozoites. After growth of trophozoites in RBCS, the parasite differentiated into male and female gametocyte. And after that, the third stage, the stage of sexual reproduction takes place. In this stage, when female Anopheles mosquito bites a person, it takes this gametocytes through her blood meal. In female Anopheles mosquito, these gametocytes becomes mature and form gametes. This process is known as gametogenesis. You can see this here. In the midgut of mosquito, male and female gametes are fused together and form zygote. After maturation of zygote, it becomes ookinetes, and after some time it converts into oocytes. You can see this in the image, the conversion from ookinete to the conversion of oocyte, and then it's get converted into sporozoites. It is the end of sexual stage, and after it the cycle starts over again. Now come to our next slide, that is detection of Plasmodium. Detection of Plasmodium in human body can be done by using or preparing blood films, by antigen based rapid diagnostic test, and by using real-time polymerase chain reaction, which is also known as PCR. And for more details about malaria, you can also watch my previous video, and for that link is given in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more video updates. Thank you.